move onward to the next millennium. This key of responsibility, a key that signifies our academic accomplishments and excellence towards achieving our goals. A key that reminds us of what we are now and what to become tomorrow.
Honored guests, our dear and highly respected President, Mrs. Sophia Arbasalo, our energetic administrator, Mrs. Bernadette Aguilar, our supportive high school day principal, Mrs. Violeta G. Tabiolo, and our Halsam Sabi High School principal, Mr. Jolan B. Geiger, faculty members, staff, visitors, my dear fellow students, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. In behalf of juniors, I am greatly honored and privileged to accept this key of responsibility handed down to us by the seniors. We, the juniors, know that this responsibility is not an easy task, but we assure you that we shall work hand in hand to continually fulfill this mission.
Gentlemen, as we listen to our amiable administrator, Mrs. Bernadette Aguilar, to give us an inspirational message.
To our beloved principal and mother of the high school department, Mrs. Violeta Tabiolo, Mr. Jolan Geiger, the handsome principal of the Sunday High School, to the faculty and staff, visitors, shall I say, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. One of the most memorable events in high school life, where it seems that everybody is longing for, is the juniors and seniors promenade. This seems to be a turnover of responsibility from the seniors to the juniors as they are about to leave their alma mater. In the same way, the juniors are in the stage of preparation to lead and be responsible in the entire high school community. This prom is the more than just a social event for us. It is an event to remember, and it is worth remembering for.
Thank you, Ma'am Bernadette, for such an inspiring message. You heard that, juniors and seniors? We should bear that always in our mind.
It's time to witness one of the most awaited part of the program, the Rigudon de Honor of juniors and the Cotillion Dance of seniors.